Should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Us here, we need to do something about this.
We have to organize this or something.
Great idea. Get me 2 cardboard strips, and I will make these.
Cardboard strips coming right up. Whoa, I will fall down like that.
I got this. Now, we're gonna stick the cardboard strip onto one of the pieces I made. Like this, all the way along the edges. Look, we already have 2 compartment trays.
It reminds me of a pizza box. Ooh, now I'm hungry. Let's have a snack.
Next, we need a bigger piece of cardboard. We will also use our good old glue gun again. Be careful with it, by the way. This strip goes to the side, and this is what you should get. We're moving on to the next step.
You can use this to cover the edges, Sue. Aha!
Thank you, Sammy. We will need quite a lot of tape. Sammy, hold it straight, please.
I'm doing my best, Sue.
The sides of the cardboard are so much neater now. Let's assemble everything.
Genius! I've never seen drawers like these before in my life.
Thanks, I'm flattered. We need 4 cardboards of this shape and size.
These look familiar. Didn't we use them earlier today already?
Yes, Sammy, that's right. It's a similar step like before, but this time I need something to hold them up. Any ideas?
I know just the things.
Great, I can make a few marks now. We need to draw these lines to align the compartments evenly. Here we go. Now we need some glue again. And after a few seconds of gluing, we get this. The last piece goes on top. We put together the 2 finished parts and arrange a few little compartments on the top. Don't forget to add white stripes to the edges. Voila! Looks great. Now for the fun part, coloring! But first, we need a base paint so that the colors come out much better.
I want to color too, Susie. You know how I like this. Oh, that was easy.
In the meantime, I will make our organizer yellow, just like the bright, bright sun in the sky.
Susie, I'm pink. I mean, all done.
Good job, Sammy. And I decided that we can't do without some orange. Here comes one more piece. Easy peasy. And don't forget about the colorful shelves.
Wow, it looks as if a rainbow is in the room. So bright! So colorful!
I know, right? But we're still not done yet. Let's add even more colors.
I also made these to secure the trays.
Great thinking! Let's attach them right here. Check this out! I know, we also need a handle. And even more colors! This texture is so pretty! And this color combination even makes me feel so happy! Let's attach these doors to the sides. This is the right place. It's organizing time, friends. Sam and I love this part the most.
Let me help you with this, Sue. I want to arrange these markers first.
Of course, Sammy. Let's do it.
Make way!
Whoa, easy, Tiger. You really have a lot of stationery. But there is enough space for it. Now we need a few pieces of foam paper as the parting instruments. We'll just glue them between the markers, like this. It is not hard at all. Add this strip of foam paper will serve as a top holder. I will glue it like this, and we're done here.
That's the level of organization I need. Keep working, Sue.
Your wish is my command. All that's left to do is to make a few cuts between the partitions. This way! Just be careful with the cutter, friends. We're almost done here. Just a few more cuts. Oh, and we'll also need to make some sort of a shelf down here. There, it's so handy. I already did the same way with the other tray. See?
Yippee! This is the moment I've been waiting for! I want to store all my stationery there. I'll be right back!
Let's put the sticky notes here. There is enough space for all kinds of them. Now we need to add another holding element. Watch my hands, friends. It's gonna be easy and very functional. Now the glues go here.
Sue, I'm done too. Come check this out.
Wow, Sammy, great job. But there is some space left. We can add even more colorful stationery to this side. You're already familiar with this method. Would you look at this? Amazing!
Sue, this is bad! We totally forgot about the top part!
Don't worry, Sammy. I have everything under control. We'll make some special holders now. It will be some sort of a cup for pens and pencils. I'm using really small scissors here to make it look neat. We've made a lot of these cups. They are so cute. Don't you think so? Let's make another small section here. It makes a perfect place to store the tapes. All kinds of them, actually.
Phew, and I added my special design.
You are so creative. A few final touches, and we'll have a final look at our rainbow organizer. Thanks for being with us today, friends. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Bye-bye.
To say. Right, here goes. So what's the matter, Mr. Clown? Oh, bless you. Nasty cold you've got there. Oh, you have a cold. No thanks. Wow, amazing. Where are you going? To bed? But where am I going? Oh no, I need to find someone who's in charge.
Let's play.
Maybe this chap can help. Hello, my name's Rebecca.
Ah, you must be the replacement clown. Couldn't believe it when Wizzo got a cold. And today of all days.
What's so special about today?
Today is the day that the circus will close down unless we put on a fantastic show and get people to start coming back.
Right.
So, we're relying on you and Coco to put on an amazing, a brilliant, a spectacular show. We're relying on you two to save the circus.
No pressure then.
So, what are you waiting for? You need to rehearse.
Oh, yes, of course. Rehearse. Right, let's save the circus.
Let's play.
I need to find Coco the clown. This might be him. Coco?
No thanks, I just add one.
No, I meant, is your name Coco?
Yes, I know, never mind. Who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm here to help you with the show tonight.
Great! Have you been a clown a long time?
About 10 minutes.
Right, then I need to teach you some tricks.
I'm all ears and a funny nose.
First, I'm going to show you a balloon trick. Ta-da!
Oh, wow, this is great. Can I try?
Best of luck.
Hey, where'd it go?
I think you need some practice. But first, let me show you the hat trick. If I may borrow your hat. Okay, you take the hat like this. Then you put it down on the floor like this. Then you step away from the hat. Now, you try and pick it up.
This should be easy. Hey, what happened?
It's attached to invisible wire.
I can't see anything.
Right, that's kind of the point. Excuse me?
This is exciting. I'm learning loads of great clown tricks. Oh, what do we do with that?
So, I walk around and every time I turn around, you duck so he misses you. Oh! I think we better practice all of this.
I think you're right.
Let's play. Let's play.
It's time for the show. Oh, I'm so nervous. Where's Coco?
Make way coming through. Ah, Rebecca, are you ready for the big performance?
I don't know. I'm a bit scared.
Don't be scared. Be yourself. No, don't be yourself. Be a clown. A good one. Because remember, if the audience don't like the show, then no one will come to see it. Then the circus will close and we'll all be out of a job.
Thanks. I don't feel nervous at all now. Oh, Mummy.
Right, the show is about to begin.
Hold on, Coco isn't here yet.
Well, you have to do something on your own.
But I can't. I don't know any tricks on my own.
Well, you'll think of something. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our magnificent circus.
Oh. Coco, at last. Come on, we're on.
How do I look?
Oh, great. Oh, where's your bow tie?
Ah, my tie. I forgot to put it on. I'll go and get it.
No, wait, Coco, come back.
And now, it's time for our spectacular clown act. It's Coco and Rebecca.
Oh, no. I'm going to have to go on by myself. Wish me luck.
Here they are. It's Coco and it's Rebecca, the clown.
Hi. Hello,
I knew it was going to be rubbish.
What are you waiting for?
Come on, Rebecca. Do something funny. Come along now, Rebecca. You can do it.
What trick can I do? I have nothing. Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Clowns often pretend to be clumsy and fall over. They make people laugh by putting one foot behind the other and pretend to trip up. That's what I could do. Right, here goes. It worked. They liked it.
That's good, that is. Phew, I found it.
Just in time. I've been keeping them happy, but now we need to put on a show.
Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the amazing Coco and Rebecca. Whoa.
Let's play.
That was brilliant fun.
Oh, they love the plank trick. Turning around, you back it down. Whoopsie daisy.
Oh, well, that's me done. I'm going to go for a rest.
They want us to do some more.
We haven't got anything else. We've done all our tricks.
We have to think of something. They're calling us back on. One more time, then. Coco and Rebecca. I'll go out there and do something to make them laugh. You think of something and make it quick.
We've done all our tricks, but the audience want more. What are we going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Clowns will often play silly tricks with custard pies. Let's do that.
Hey! Great fire routine.
Yes, listen to them cheering.
I'm going to get cleaned up. You are a brilliant clown, Rebecca.
Oh, thanks, Coco. And so are you. Oh, it's great fun making people laugh.
Rebecca, the audience loved your tricks. This show will be the talk of the town. Maybe we'll have to close the circus after all.
I'm glad I could help, but I think I better be going.
Go? You can't go.
Can't I?
No, the show is only halfway through. You have to go at the end for the finale.
Finale?
Yes, the show always ends on one big last trick. The audience are expecting it. You do have one last big, fantastic trick, don't you?
One big, last, fantastic trick? Of course. You just give me a moment. I've just got to...
That was great fun.
Go. We have to do another trick. What? We need to do one last fantastic trick. If we don't, the audience will be disappointed, and then they won't tell their friends to come, and then the circus will close down, and everyone will lose their job, and panic. Oh, hang on, I'll tell a joke. Why did the clown cross the road?
Rebecca, the audience are expecting a fantastic trick, not some rubbish joke you found in a cracker.
Oh, you're right, we're doomed. Oh, we haven't got one last fantastic trick. It's all over. Oh, hold on. I know what we can use to you. I knew this would come in handy.
What are you going to do with that?
Just you wait and see. Come on.
Let's play.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our final performance. It's Coco and Rebecca. Please be silent for our last trick. I present to you the flying clown. Drum roll, please. This sounds good.
We did it. They like our final trick. Well done, Coco.
I had so much fun clowning around with you.
So did I. Give Wizzo my best. Hope he gets better soon.
Well done, Rebecca, and thank you, yeah?
Bye. Well, we did it. We helped to save the circus, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Instead of speaking, some clowns will act things out. They often make people laugh by pretending to trip up. And clowns will sometimes play silly tricks with custard pies to make the audience laugh. I guess it's time we went home.
Rebecca, the audience loved you. They loved the show. We're going to have a full house for a long time to come.
I'm glad I could help, but I guess it's time for me to go. Bye.
Goodbye, Rebecca.